mission in that marriage? Yeah. What is your mission in that marriage? You may ask me, how do you mean? You may ask me, why are you saying this? You can ask me, why are you even coming up with such a question? The question is this: what is your mission in that marriage? Today we are going to read on women. Today we can discover that there are heights of divorce in marriage. In this world, we can see that one problem we are facing today is that we are fighting who will be the head. Gender equality, where the men and the women are fighting who should be the man of the house and who should be the woman of the house. The woman is fighting their rights so that they will maintain their stand on this planet Earth, so that men will not use them as rag anymore. They say that it was 90s and 80s that men used them as rags. That today that they are in charge, that they cannot make the same mistake as their forefathers did or their grandmothers. Today, what is your mission in that marriage? A young, vibrant, beautiful, married lady who's supposed to bring joy, harmony in that place she's married to, now tries to become something different from what the man expected. Remember, then in as much as you were not able to be the man that will marry yourself, you now find yourself in that home. Maybe the man is not up to date. Maybe the man don't have fleets of cars like other young men. Maybe it was not easy for him to provide all the attires or the running material that people are wearing these days. Because of that, decided to let him down or humiliate. Young lady, what is your mission in that marriage? I am asking you this question. What is your mission in that marriage? Why do you choose to allow pride, to allow comparison, to allow sentiment, to allow environmental diseases to affect you? You have the opportunity to make your marriage to work. You have the opportunity to shun those friends who are not contributing something positive in your marriage. And by the way, that's your friend you have. What is her mission in your marriage? I mean, that young woman who always give you advice and how you can make your marriage to work. I am asking you, what is her mission? That particular person that always inform you of how your husband is chasing women around, what is her mission? That particular person that always suggests how you should maybe take money or demand money from your husband, what is her mission? You that always find fault in every little thing in your marriage, what is your mission? Are you really in that marriage for peace? Or are you in that marriage just to be a married woman? Are you in that marriage for you to answer Mrs.? Anything that comes up in that marriage, you are not ready for it and you don't care. I mean, what is your mission in that marriage? I want you to ask yourself this. I know of a man. This man, his wife gave birth. This man was begging for 72,000 naira. The woman saw that the man don't have the money, this man don't even have the money anymore. This man went down and started begging men around. Say, please, can I have 1,000 naira to buy tea so that my wife will drink? All of a sudden, he came back in that same hospital bed and started crying. She now saw that this man indeed doesn't have any money. What happened? The woman now said, Daddy, please, go inside our house. If you go there, check that's my pack. That place I used to pack my things. Search inside it, you will see money. Bring only 72,000 naira. And the man went there and discovered that this woman has a savings of about 875,000 naira. And this man is downstairs begging for 1,000 naira. Let me ask you, in that money you are saving for the family, what is your mission? You can see a young lady today. That young lady, you are married to your own family. Instead of you to develop your own marriage, instead of you to build your own marriage, you are using all the money you saved. You went there and begin to spend. Nobody said you shouldn't help your family. Nobody said you should not sponsor your family. Nobody said you should not, but you went secretly. Sometimes you steal from your husband to send to your family so that they will know that you are still with them. But when your husband will go down, You will try to beg them, and maybe they will not show up. Because I know that all families are not the same. What is your mission? Do you think that you can survive in that marriage with that character? You that always want to fight your husband, what is your mission? Do you think you can survive in this whole world with that character? What is your mission? That attitude of yours. Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 14 verse 1, Bible says that a good woman builds her home. A good woman builds her home. That woman will make her marriage to work. I mean, that woman will make her marriage to be heaven on earth. I mean, woman. Bible said that a good woman builds her home. But Bible said that a foolish woman destroys her home with her own hand. What is your mission? Are you building or are you destroying? With this level of attitude, with this level of commitment, check it, balance it, think of it. Are you building or are you destroying? I pray that God will give you answer to these questions. I want you to encourage yourself. Build your home. Separate from friends who cannot contribute something positive in your family.